You can launch Argos reporting from one spot using the MyCoast dashboard. Before you use the Argos reporting card, make sure you are at a Coast College's site or are connected through Global Protect VPN. Locate the Argos reporting card on your dashboard. You can access Argos by clicking on the Argos prod link within the card. If you need tutorials and documentation on Argos, click on the second link within the card. You will be redirected to Argos Web View and Client Directions documentation. If you need Argos training, click on the last link within the Argos reporting card. From here, you can view Argos training sign-up information and contacts.